So we have different varieties of lettuce in here. We have the curly one, the crunchy one, the colorful one. So these are our raised boxes. I love growing vegetables on raised boxes. Today's task is going to be replacing these raised beds. As you can see, they are falling apart. So it's time for them to go and then get a replacement. So like this. But they lasted for 5 years. And I think I can like assemble one from out of these 3. Like for example, this one, this side is still good, and then there are panels that are still good, the posts are still good. So I'll try to assemble one from out of this like 3 boxes and put them on the other side. But on this side we are putting new planter boxes or raised beds. I uprooted all the plants. Now I need to move the soil from there onto the other one. So I'll start from that box, move the soil to this side, and then disassemble the raised bed there and then replace with a new one. So that's the plan. So we just need to take this sprinkler like out and move to the side. We're working on this like this and this. This one is like buried to the ground now. Just need to put these sprinklers on the side. All this like sprinklers while working on this like boxes. Oh, this one is buried now. Some of the planks are still good, so I'm cleaning them. The ones that are crooked, I'm going to toss away. Now let's put this raised bed together. So the box came like this. We bought this from Home Depot, from Green. The company is Green, but then apparently the box is also from Miracle-Gro. So this is, it's a little heavy. I'm going to put the link down below, and everything should be here. So we have 3 of this. This is one raised bed, and there are no nails or screws. You just like slide them on the post. I'll show you. Super duper easy to assemble. So it's like this inside. There are like, these are decorative cups, and then there are posts somewhere there, and this is just these screws are just to like, you know, attach this decorative cups on the raised bed. So there are the other one, our old one has like 3 of this, 3 planks, but this one is wider, the new one is wider, so there are only 2 on each side. So there are 4 decorative cups, 1 on each post, and then there should be 8 planks, 2 on each side and 4 posts. these are the 4 posts, and then you just slide the plank in here. So I'll start on the first post. I have this post and just insert this here like that. Like this. Like that. And just put all the way, and I'll put this on this side. So like here, and then the other one. I connected the 2 boards. Now I'm going to add another post in here on this side. I'll slide this plank onto this post like this, like that. So this forms another post, and then another, like the other 3. So slide another plank to form the 3rd side. I slide the other one from the bottom. It's easier that way. So this one from here. Like that. There you go. And then I added the 3rd one. I'm going to add the last one over there. This is the last post. So I just slide this in here. And then connect the other 2 posts with another plank. Very easy to assemble. You don't need to be handy. It's like super duper easy. Just slide them on the post. Just sliding the plank on the post. There you go. See, the frame was built in like 10 minutes. Probably less if you're an expert. Now I just need to add the 2nd layer, or the top layer. It's just like sliding this here. Like that, simple. Very simple, very easy. And then this one here. This is higher than the old ones. This is the same size, 4 feet by 4 feet, and then I think this one is 8 inches tall. This one is 11 inches tall, almost a foot tall. Now I just need to move back the soil because these are like the soil is still good, and maybe half, and then the top one would be, I'm going to add new soil on the top one. So that one is done, and then I'm going to do the other 2. Now I just need to add the soil back and then add new soil on top. Now I am moving the soil from here to the other one, so I could build this one. Same thing when I build the third one, I'm going to move all the soil to this one. That's why I use this as the, that's why I assemble this first, so I can use this as a dumping for like the soil while I'll build the other ones. And then one thing I could say is like don't sit on these boxes. That's how this one's got ruined. Garden boxes. So here we have lettuce. These are lettuce, 2 varieties of lettuce. They're about to bolt. I see, or they are in the process of bolting. I see like flower buds. And then we have this very pretty purple Osaka mustard. And then behind this mustard are the Chinese cabbage, which are also bolting. Oh, and then there is this like carrot that we seeded from last season. And on the other one, as you can see, the purple bok choy have bolted already, but the flowers are beautiful. Bees love them. And then we have more tatsoi here, and those are joy choy. I need to harvest a lot of vegetables. And then here is our lettuce garden or salad garden. So we have different varieties of lettuce in here. We have the curly one, the crunchy one, the colorful one. So these are our raised boxes. I love growing vegetables in raised boxes